I don't understand why women think that other women owe them any type of loyalty. Why is the go-to for women when they think somebody's cheating on them? Well, let me attack the female. You shouldn't be attacking anybody, honestly. But I don't know why there's this thing, let's destroy the female's vehicle. Maybe he don't want you. All right, court is calling
Hold on,
2024
this
CR
isn't just another vandalism case.
010930 State
What
versus
starts as a
Samantha
scratched car
Guadarrama.
quickly
Can I have
turns
parties
into a
announced for
courtroom
the record
lesson
for the
about
state?
obsession, accountability, and
Defense.
emotional control. The real question isn't whether the
And are you
damage
Samantha
happened. It's why someone
Guadarrama?
believed revenge was worth throwing away their own
Have
future.
both parties in 2024 CR 010930 State versus Samantha Guadarrama. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Ayla Dietrich for Samantha Guadarrama.
And are you Samantha Guadarrama?
Yes.
All right. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report and TAP evaluation?
Yes.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you entered a plea bargain agreement on January 6th. According to the plea, punishments be assessed at $2,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution of $6,292.70 to Mitchell McCain. It's the court's understanding that that amount has been paid. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right. Is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say?
No, no.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Samantha Guadarrama.
All right, so why are you keying this guy's car?
It was a mistake and it was.
No, it wasn't a mistake. A mistake is you take somebody's umbrella thinking that it's yours because they're both black umbrellas. Keying somebody's car is not a mistake. So why are you keying the car?
I was being taunted by my ex about our situation, that we were separating, and he was sending me videos and pictures of just other women and in our own, like in our home, that we lived together during that time and during that night.
That's not what the police report says. The police report I'm reading says that the victim in 01 returned from a night out and the victim parked his vehicle in the driveway of 01's residence. While at 01's residence, 01 received an alert on his video camera. 01 looked at his video camera and observed his ex-girlfriend in the driveway of his residence. 01 was speaking with D1.
Here's where everything changes. The defendant's explanation sounds emotional, but the police report tells a completely different story. In court, evidence always outweighs excuses. That's why surveillance footage and documented facts often become the deciding factor, not feelings, not assumptions.
Around D1 through the camera, you're D1. And D1 believed that another female was at the location, as D1 believed the victim's vehicle, which was parked in the driveway, belonged to a female. Victim in 01 continued watching the video camera and observed D1 walking around victim's vehicle, keying victim's vehicle in the process. This is what I don't understand. So it says in here that you thought that was a female's vehicle.
Yes.
I don't understand why women think that other women owe them any type of loyalty. Why is the go-to for women when they think somebody's cheating on them? Well, let me attack the female. You shouldn't be attacking anybody, honestly. But I don't know why there's this thing, let's destroy the female's vehicle. Maybe he don't want you anymore. Or maybe he wants you and the other female. If that's the case, you have choices to make. Either you're going to stay with him and accept the fact that he's cheating on you, or either you're going to leave him. The choice should never be, let me key his car or key the female's car. It's never going to turn out good. Now, I see that you have a son and a daughter. How would you feel if your son ends up dating someone and they become an ex-girlfriend and they won't let go and they end
Judge
up keying
Boyd
his car?
isn't just talking about a damaged vehicle. She's exposing a mindset. Instead of confronting the actual relationship, the anger was redirected elsewhere.
You understand that?
Have you noticed how revenge
And
almost
so
always
you went to
creates a
jail?
bigger problem than the
And how
betrayal
long
that
were you
started
in
it?
jail? Let go and they end up keying his car. You lose your mind. So here you are out keying somebody's car who doesn't want you, obviously. No, I mean, that's yes or no. Do you understand that? And so you went to jail?
Okay.
And how long were you in jail?
That night.
All right. Well, how long did you stay in jail till you paid this off, though?
That day on January when I was in court for like 3 days, I believe.
All right. So that's 3 days you spent away from your children because you love a man more than your children. Whenever you make these stupid decisions, what ends up happening is that shows that you're loving this man more than your children. You can't do that. Have you had any contact with him?
No, I love him.
All right. So do you have any children with him?
No, I do not.
All right. So you better not contact him. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
That relationship is over. You don't have any property with him. You don't have any children with him. So there's no need to contact him. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do for a living?
Part-time.
All right. And have you started dating again?
No.
That's a good thing. You're going to have to get an
This
orchid.
may be the toughest moment in
And
the
I
hearing.
tell everybody this,
The
you have
judge shifts the
relationship
focus
problems
from
because
property
orchids
damage to
teach
family
patience.
consequences.
They
3
have some
days behind
beautiful
bars
orchids
may
out at
not
the
sound like
H-E-B. I
much,
just saw
but
some
for a
when I went
parent,
there, I'm like,
every
wow,
day
they're so
away from their
beautiful, they're in
children
bloom.
carries a price no court
You need
can
to get
truly
that
measure.
orchid. You're going to have to get an orchid. And I tell everybody this who have relationships problems because orchids teach patience. They have some beautiful orchids out at the H-E-B. I just saw some when I went there. I'm like, wow, they're so beautiful. They're in bloom. You need to get that orchid. They're inexpensive. I think they have a coupon too, so it's less expensive. Get that orchid and keep that orchid. And it comes with directions. Read up on it, how to care for it. And once those leaves fall off, if you can get that same orchid to bloom again without losing your patience, then you'll be ready for relationships. Because with orchids, you can read those instructions. Like it says, in direct sunlight, you put it.
At
and once
first,
those
the
leaves
orchid
fall
advice
off,
sounds
if
unusual
you
for a
can get
criminal
that
courtroom.
same orchid to
But
bloom
there's a
again
deeper
without
lesson
losing your
here.
patience,
The judge
then
is
you'll be
using
ready
something
for
simple to teach
relationships.
patience,
Because
emotional
with
discipline,
orchids,
and healthy
you
decision-making,
can read those
qualities that could prevent
instructions.
someone
Like
from
it
ever
says,
returning
in
to
direct
court.
sunlight, you put it